Alright, hey everyone, GratuiTous here. In this video, I want to talk to you about my FL Studio Beginners book. This is a very, very thick book. It is available in both ebook and paperback on Amazon. And I just want to talk a little bit about it if you guys are wanting to learn FL Studio. So most beginner books are going to just break down the basics of FL Studio. This book is going to teach you how to make beats. All right, so yes, we do learn the basics of FL Studio. As you can see, there's tons of different images. It's a very, very in-depth book teaching you all about, this is actually a pretty cool image. This is about series and parallel processing. Very important to know when you're using the mixer as a beat maker. Parallel processing is definitely like the secret of the pros. But I spent a lot of time writing this book as a beginner, you know, from a beginner's point of view, teaching you guys how to make beats with FL Studio. So I'm a recognized FL Studio trainer. I've been teaching FL Studio for many years. And the thing is, a lot of people, they purchase a beginner's book or a beginner's course, but usually those courses or those books are just teaching you how to use the software. Anybody can teach you how to use the software. This book is going to be teaching you not only how to use FL Studio, but how to make beats, how to get organized for the long run. We will quickly just look at the table of contents here. So first of all, we talk about why choose FL Studio as your DAW. There's a lot of music programs out there, but I'm telling you, FL Studio is so awesome. Lifetime free updates, and if you want to make beats, FL Studio is such a great music program. We talk about using the FL Studio help manual for information, right? A lot of times you want to go to YouTube or search Google. The help manual, so the original FL Studio guru, huge shout out to him, Scott. Thank you so much for writing the help manual. Like the way how he describes the help manual, he not only teaches you how to use FL Studio, he teaches you a lot of music production tips. I've learned a lot in the FL Studio help manual, and I share with you how to actually use the help manual fast, because you'll be wanting to use it a lot if you want to learn FL Studio and get good. And then we talk about how FL Studio and music production work, okay? So again, this is not just about FL Studio, it's about learning how to make beats, how to become a music producer. And I'll also share near the end of this book, we also talk about a specific music production folder, okay? So what happens, a lot of you guys, when you're brand new, if you do visit my website, it's GratuiTous.com. You can see my website right there. So a lot of times when people come and reach out to me, students, they come in and they're so unorganized. And so over the years, I've created this custom music folder, and this book will actually teach you how to set up your custom music folder to stay organized. It allows you to back up your music easy. Yeah, so if you guys want to check out my FL Studio Beginners book, it's such a great way to learn not just FL Studio, but how to make beats. And it's really just the beginning of my education to teach you how to make beats. Again, you guys can visit me over at itsgratuitous.com for more training. And again, my name is Riley Weller. My artist and producer name is GratuiTous, and this is my FL Studio Beginners book, allowing you to not just learn FL Studio, but to actually learn how to make beats. All right, I hope you guys enjoy it if you get it.